to me rolling until when I rap. Time to party, we gonna be outside. Roll to the riches, I can smarties in a swimming pool at night. Chill with the homies on the block. Good vibes, what we doing? This hard work, hard chores, no changes in my expression. A workaholic, you know overdose. Start now when the sun of rock goes to stars. You know so smarty panic starts and you stay looking at the stars. But you never gonna die, you try to survive. You never gonna die, you try to survive. You never gonna die, you try to survive. That's the reason why everyone cry. Asturian Lord up on the ground. And Roxu, you know this song. Killing the track as a track killer. Killuminati mind not me any lie maybe. Cause you suck us using a pie to kill minorities. We don't need to kill each other. But if you want to do it clean, honestly. Cause I already forget, fucked up. I don't care of life, look how. Psychopathy mentality, bro. So cold like ho-hos, see most foes. Easily sniffing coca-cola, sipping bobos. Finally here comes the rock, cooking us the way you song. That's my instrumentality, yo. Get away now into mentality, so. I will in the memory of some people who fortunately in the same story like me. I'm screaming the war of rebellion. My style is so raw, your bitch is so raw. My pace is so low, my dick is so strong. Fuck off, I'm ripping this off. Again and again and again, you will still stand in front of me, saying my name. Sky's the limit, this art like my art. Want me self-forecast, my gallery part, I'm not price enough. To me rolling until when I rap. For second time party came start at the back. Hold the backstage, the bass and choco flakes. Some whiskey to get drunky like an Scottish. I'm still keeping my head up. Happily these motherfuckers want to end my lucky down. My flow so hard, kills waka stacks. Spit on my nuts, you lick it so bad. But, is the thing in this world. But, are the worst. Talking about graphs, start doing drugs, put the gas mask. Get you packed, son, do some graphs, do some work, man, for your community. And become a real leader. For you definitely start for yourself the honor of what else in the minute of being or rougher than whatever. Get off the stand, fake brands, the spam back down. I fuck ya all, I piece all of them. In a glory hole like the victory flavor I know this will be. Remember obviously, I don't need to think for create this. That's a good point. Factor of my factor, lyrical so rhyming, declining clarity. Hip hop business, that's the deal. Dealing for multiple seasons. You know, here we go, la 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 la. You know who would love, la 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 la. The K and the number, elevate you concepts to unit charity. Push I like a gun dropper. So then check it, look at these verses. Hit to me rolling until when I rap. For third time and we don't gonna stop to jab. We are wild like an animal on the jungle. Wrestling like we angry with this potential banger.